I have been dreading pouring all these coins out to count them, but I thought, let me do it while I'm in the mood, and I might be able to encourage somebody to do their own as well. £10, £20, £30, £40, £50, £60, £70, £80, £90, £1, £10, £20, £30, £40, £50, £60, £70, £80, £92, £10, £20, £30, £40, £50, £60, £70, £80, £93, £10, £20, £30, £40, £50, £60, £70, £80, £94, £10, $20, £30, £40, £50, £60, £70, £80, £90, £5, £10, $20, £30, £40, £50, £60, £70, £80, £5, 80, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, £1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, £2, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, £3, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, £4, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, £5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Add £5.50. That's £11 and 30 pence. Let's just get the bags out. Let's see how many coins will be going into £1 for 1p and 2p. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.